no one can leave for the mainland and no one can come in.
Approximately 1/2 of the island population is infected.
The infection rate per capita is one of the highest in Europe, if not in the world.
What's it like to be on the Corona Island?
This is Saaremaa, an island off the coast of Estonia, and about 33,000 people live there. What happened a month ago, a team from Milan flew to play volleyball on the island, and now it's the country's coronavirus hotspot. We can't get there, so some of the islanders filmed on their mobiles what it's like coping there now.
The COVID-19 infection situation in Saaremaa and Kuressaare is quite serious. We might have 1,000 hospitalizations by April 20th. So we need help. In our hospital we have 147 beds. This is not enough for 1,000 patients.
With the high number of cases, some patients are now being flown to the mainland for treatment. Elsewhere on the island, people are adapting quickly. Hundreds of companies are finding ways to survive online.
Hello world, Susan here from Saaremaa.
Susan Reinholm used to work in an office for a cooperative selling the island's produce. Now she's delivering door to door.
The pile of things you see behind there, these are the home deliveries that I have to go and deliver today. So we are now in one of the neighborhoods here in Kuressaare, Saaremaa's capital, as we can say. And I'm waiting for our client to come downstairs, and then I'll leave the groceries to her safely without any contact.
With all non-essential business shut, many of Susan's friends lost work after the outbreak, but quickly found it elsewhere.
And people adapt to change. For example, my hairdresser is now the one labeling the packages in a local meat factory, and nobody's sitting at home and thinking that, okay, let's see what tomorrow brings. People are taking actions.
Anu Vores is part of the island's crisis centre. They're considering the next steps in a video conference. Anu tells us they've been through isolation like this before.
For the very first time since Soviet occupation, people need permits to enter. But this time it is because of our free will to protect our people and their health. It is difficult to tell how the coronavirus first came to the island. There were 2 volleyball matches with the Italian team that brought together more than 1,000 local people as well as visitors from the mainland Estonia.
Local officials also say a second big social gathering, this champagne festival, may have further quickened the spread. Another islander, Tom Overkey, films for us how his hometown has changed.
On the background is the main square of Kuressaare, which is usually buzzing around midday like now. Today there are of course nobody. People are at their homes, working online. I'm a bit worried about the longer term implications, of course. And what I've seen so far, how the people are getting together to kind of work for the future of the island, I'm really positively surprised.